YouTube, hope you all guys doing very well today. We open HV battery from Tesla 3 2021, and first of all I will show you something. Look what I did. I cut this pipe while opening the cover. I was using like a blade, and the blade hit right on the pipe. What the heck, man? Hamburger. Now, don't worry, I will change it. If customer you are watching my video, don't worry, I will change it for you, okay? Don't be upset. Anyhow, this is battery standard range. As you can see, empty space. If it's long range, it will be right here, long batteries. Each one module has 24 cell, and if it was long range, it will be 25 cell, then 23 cell. But in this case, all of them 24 cell. Now we have imbalance between one cell to second cell. So this is the one which is imbalance. Let me show you the voltage. Let me show you the voltage. If you can see, if I can hold, wait a minute, like this, like this and like this. It has 3.5 voltage, and the second one we have 3.7, more than 3.7. Actually all of them more than 3.7, only this one is 3.5. So we have to do balancing, not just this one but all of this. And there is many videos, but no one show you battery like this close. And this is BMS which do the balancing. Very bad technology from Tesla. Good job Tesla. It actually do nothing. Balancing by name only. Each pack has its own balancing module, and all of them connect like this. There is something like it connects from 1 to second. So as you can see, this is the battery, and from this side these two in series and that two in series. Then when we install the cover, another series connector will connect between these batteries, and there is a fuse between them, so they all became in series and became around 400 voltage. Please do subscribe to my channel to know more about Tesla, and I will share videos like this close. Please do subscribe, hit like.